Cloud Data Warehouse Guide for Clinical Trials. We implement cloud data warehouses and migrate data warehouses to the cloud for a number of biotech and pharma companies. The key to an effective implementation is ensuring secure and fast data access across devices. Whether your clinical trial data needs to be accessible by a mobile sales force or global partners, it's essential that the right solution works seamlessly across platforms, operating systems, and devices. Here's a quick guide. How do I use a cloud data warehouse for clinical trials? Using a cloud data warehouse for clinical trials enables data gathering and access that simply wasn't available even 10 years ago. With the proliferation of mobile devices and connected devices, a clinical trial can access and interpret information that is exclusive to your trial and combine it with other data resources. What is a cloud data warehouse? A cloud data warehouse is simply a place to store data. Data warehouses allow businesses to store and share data for sales funnel processes, data analytics, and reporting. A properly structured and implemented data warehouse becomes a single repository for all data, allowing data sets to talk to each other. This connected data allows businesses of any size to discover new data insights that could lead to additional revenue. Data warehouse architecture has been moving to the cloud from on-premise data warehouses because of several huge advantages. Cost. Cloud data warehouses simply cost a lot less. Why? Well, generally there are no licensing costs nor long-term contracts. Plus, because it's a cloud, there's no hardware to buy nor maintain. And lastly, you pay less when your data storage needs are small. Then you pay incrementally more as your data storage needs grow. Scalability. Generally, a cloud data warehouse grows with your data needs. As you have more data to store, or as you add new applications, your cloud automatically grows. Performance. A more modern data warehouse architecture allows cloud data warehouses to process complex queries much faster. This is in part due to the massively parallel processing and other modern data warehouse elements. Ease. A cloud data warehouse can theoretically be implemented in minutes, whereas a traditional on-premise data warehouse could take weeks or months to build. Is it common to use cloud computing for clinical trials? Yes, it is now commonplace to use a cloud data warehouse for clinical trial data storage and gathering. In fact, one reason the number of registered studies has grown 250 times in the past 20 years is because the proliferation of cloud data warehousing. What are the advantages of a cloud data warehouse for clinical trials? Decreasing costs and a faster research and development process are the clear advantages of a cloud data warehouse. Generally, our clients are shocked by the ease which cloud data can be shared across platforms and devices. It's an eye-opening transformation when migrating from an on-premise data center or using older forms of clinical trial data storage. Does the FDA permit cloud data warehouses? Yes. According to FDA, they suggest that your decision to validate computerized systems and the extent of the validation takes into account the impact the systems have on your ability to meet predicate rule requirements. You should also consider the impact these systems might have on accuracy, reliability, integrity, availability, and authenticity of required records and signatures. What is the FDA guidance on cloud computing? The FDA does not seek to approve cloud data warehouse systems or any data system that does not alter the data itself. So, if the system simply houses data, shares data, and disseminates data, the FDA need not approve it. What are the top cloud solutions for clinical trials? There are numerous cloud solutions for clinical trials. Our top recommendations to clients have been Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and Microsoft Azure. What are the phases or next steps of cloud migration? The phases and steps of cloud migration are pretty straightforward. Select a provider, prep for migration, migrate data. Do I need a cloud data warehouse consultant? At NextPhase.ai, we help all sorts of companies migrate to cloud data warehouses, from global companies to Bay Area seed startups. Our recommendation is to consult a cloud data warehouse specialist to help you migrate and get everything functioning perfectly. After you discover the power of this new advanced data analytics system, only then should you consider whether the ROI warrants additional investment, whether that be a full-time data warehouse engineer, training an existing engineer, or simply continuing to work with a third party like NextPhase.ai. Have questions? We would love to talk tech with you. Call or email anytime for a free consultation. Thanks for watching.